We're about to run out of Teslas. That's the big news of the day. We got a buy signal on Tesla on August 31st, hitting 2 million cars in the Shanghai factory. You're just tuning in. My name is Christopher Ewell, and I love talking about stocks and finding those outlier trades with outsized returns. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below. And today's episode is sponsored by OVLYR.com. Go to OVLYR.com to find out why outliers win. All right, so the first story of the day, we're about to run out of Teslas, right? Tesla's Shanghai factory just hits 2 million car production milestone. Now, of course, I'm just joking. We're about to run out of Teslas. That's not going to happen anytime soon. But that's the big news of the day. Tesla is growing so big, so fast, hey, that we're only about 2 million cars away from production milestones at this point. So that is pretty awesome, right? Tesla, I mean, I am a Tesla owner. I have been wanting to be a Tesla owner for years. And when I had the opportunity to go ahead and take delivery of mine, you better believe I did it right away. And I'm not the only one. So many people this year, now we're talking about the Shanghai factory, but we also need to be talking about the Austin and the Fremont factories here in the US. So many people this year are looking to get those Teslas for the huge reason of the fact that there are $7,500 tax rebates on most models that are actually going to be ending in the next few months. Now, of course, nobody wants to see these tax credits go away, and they certainly don't want the opportunity to get a huge write-down on their taxes and get a new car at the same time. So Tesla is hitting these huge milestones, and of course, the stock is going to be probably well bolstered because of that. Let's go to the outlier data and take a look. We got a buy signal on Tesla on August 31st, so just a few days ago. So if you weren't already in Tesla, now could be an opportune time to be looking to buy some Tesla stock, because we did just get a buy signal. Plus, we have some great news, the fact that Tesla is just selling all the Teslas that they possibly can, hitting 2 million cars in the Shanghai factory. To get the trading data that you need in today's markets, go to OVLYR.com to see why outliers win.